How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what is Temu affiliate program, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individual and business to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods or services, Temu provides the tools and resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into Temu.com. As you can see, this is the website and you have here various products. Select your favorite products if you want. Then if you want to be an affiliate partner, all you have to do is scroll down and click over here, affiliate and influencer get commission. So this is the home page. You can get started, but before you can scroll down to know important information and notes. We have here there is over than 3,000 people have joined us. Also we have here how to start with Temu affiliate program. You can only join, share and earn. Here we have some frequently asked questions. First, we have here what is the Temu affiliate program and how does it work? What is Temu? Does Temu run any referral or affiliate programs? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up to the program? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it take before I can withdraw to commission rewards? If you want to get your answers, all you have to do is click on over here and you get your answer for each question here. As you can see, just click over here and you get your answers for each question you need and you want to know. Scrolling down, if you want to sign up, you can just click over here, join now, and write your email or phone number. And if you want to sign up with Google, also Facebook, App Store or other options. After your inscription, if people come to your link and they click on your link, first of all you will get commission whatever they buy, but they will also get $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people. Also you can win a competition, you can get bonuses. So all you have to do is join, share and earn. So here we have some ways to earn money on Temu. First we have selling physical products, list and sell items such as handmade, crafts, Apple, electronics or home goods. Source products from suppliers or create your own to sell. Secondly, we have offering digital products, sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses or digital art. Digital products have the advantages of no shipping cost and instant delivery. Third one, we have provided services, offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistants. Create detailed service lessons with clear pricing and delivery times. Also, we have affiliate marketing, promote other sellers' products and earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links to last social media, blogs, or email marketing to reach a broader audience. Finally, we have dropshipping. Set up a dropshipping business where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Here we have some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. The first one we have selling physical products. As an example, can use jewelry. For products, we have handcrafted bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. For description, we have detailed descriptions highlighting materials, craftsmanship, and unique design. For images, we have high quality photos, showing different angles and models wearing the jewelry. For pricing, we have competitive pricing based on material costs, time invested, and market demand. Second one, we have offering digital products. Online course as an example, we can use it. For product, we have courses on graphic design, coding, or personal development. For description, we have course syllables, learning objectives, and benefits for students. For delivery, we have digital downloads or access through a learning management system. For pricing, we have one-time free or subscription-based access to course materials. The third one, we have providing digital. We can use freelance writing as an example. Service, we have content writing for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. For description, we have clear explanation of services, including topics covered, word count, and turnaround time. For pricing, we have per award or per project basis, with options for bulk orders or long-term contracts. The first one, we have affiliate marketing. You can use teach guides as an example, as you can see here. For products, we have promote some smartphones, laptops, or accessories from other sellers. For methods, we have share affiliate links on a teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. For commission, we have earn a percentage of sales made through your referral links. For content, we have write reviews, unboxings, or how to guide to attract potential buyers. Last one, we have dropshipping. We can use decor as an example here, especially home decor items. For products, we have 20 home decor items like wall art, rugs, or lighting. Supplier, we have partnered with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Storefront, we have created branded online store showcasing the products. Marketing, we have used social media ads, influencer partnership, and CO to drive traffic to your story. Customer service, we have handle customer inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. So all you need to do is using social media as a help to share your products in Temu. Also, you can use Pinterest for pictures and ChatGPT for details. Also, the main way help you to earn money is creating content. You don't need to show your face. All you have to do is use Pinterest for finding products pictures. So, as a conclusion, making money on Temu is a valuable opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online businesses. By following these steps and leveraging Temu's feature, you can build a successful venture, whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers. Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So this is for this video, guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.